I am Travis, and today you are learning about airplanes. This is the airplane's parts, the parts of the airplanes. The vertical control yaw, the change pitch, and increase lift and drag. Change roll, change lift, drag and roll, increase lift, carry payload, hold things together right here, and command and control. Cockpit. Turbo engine right there, and wing, generate lift, decrease drag, and there. This is kind of a weird looking plane, but it is actually a plane that probably reflects the sunlight. I'm not very sure, but it's a pretty cool looking one. This is a big airplane. These airplanes run on big runways at airports. At airports, there are passengers that are going to enter the plane and take a ride to their place where they're going. This plane is a big plane that flies and is named the American. It flies in the sky. You can see the engines and the wings. Now we're moving on. This, you may recognize, is an airplane, but it's not just a regular airplane, it's an Air Force airplane. These are the parts of an airplane. This, as you may recognize, is a different airplane than other airplanes. You see that the engines are at the back. These are the four forces on an airplane. You can see the lift and the weight and the thrust and drag. Outboard airline and outboard flap. The outboard airline, there are two. You can see inboard. This is outboard. Inboard flap. Bye-bye. I'll see you again soon.